guys, it's Tuesday's tip of the day, and we are going to give you a great tip on how to sell your home in 1 minute.
Hey, it's Jocelyn
Russo, your realtor. So today's home tip is, let's talk about some flooring. People love beautiful hardwood floors. Also, people love durable floors. So whether it's wood or tile or porcelain, people love that because it's easy to clean for kids and for pets, and it's great for allergies. So if you have a home that you are looking to sell and you have some floors that are questionable, let's talk about refinishing them, fixing them, even if it's not real wood, but it could be at least the aesthetics of having that durable feel. If you have some tiles that are broken, fixing those and just making sure that the floor looks shiny, new, and fresh. So that's today's tip. Your floors need to shine so your home sells.